do you get asked for selfies and stuff when you're out with the kids? Or how do you manage
Really?
that? No, you
Not
don't.
really, no. But I don't think Ireland is like that.
Yeah.
Well, I think my theory on it is if you go looking for it, you'll get it, you know? But if you're just in the world, being yourself, maybe it's with the job I'm doing on the radio now, people just go, yeah, whatever, you know, you're just another person doing a job.
That's so nice. It's
Yeah.
probably the way you want it.
It is, but
Yeah.
also Ireland is small. You know, there's
Yes.
no big stars really in Ireland. Well, there shouldn't be anyway.
Yeah, no,
Apart
there
from the
isn't.
really huge people like Paul Mescal and, you know, Saoirse Ronan, people like they are huge stars. The rest of us are just people, you know, doing a job.
What do your kids think of your job?
Couldn't give a
Still? Would they
yeah.
not? Would they not say they're proud of you or anything? No?
no. They're just, did you interview anybody interesting today? And I'll say, oh, we did this thing about politics or news. No, anything interesting. You know,
We're missing the word.
yeah. They want to know, like one of them is really into reading. So do you have any good authors on who write children's, but very specific? And then my son is into sport, anything you do about sport. But apart from that, you know, they couldn't give a damn. They care that you're at home when they need you and that they get fed.
Yes.
And there's somebody there to take them to their activities.
So Kevin did Dance with the Stars. Were you ever asked to do anything like that?
I may have been.
Can you dance?
Oh no, I'm terrible.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm terrible. And my children have wanted me to do it, you know.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't have time, first of all, because my job is 5 days a week. I wouldn't have
Absolutely
time.
forget about it.
And
Yeah, it's so
I'd
intense.
probably enjoy it too much and then I wouldn't be able to go back to my normal life. That's what I feel.